guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now guys, I saw this hairstyle. Actually, one of our fellow YouTubers did this hairstyle. Her name is AFROCARE Princess here on YouTube. I will link her video in the description box so that you can go check her out. So when I saw she did this hairstyle, I said, you know what, I'm gonna try it. And it's Sunday. I'm recording this on Sunday. I mean, I was sitting at home doing nothing. I had recorded and edited a few videos and scheduled for the week. So I figured, you know, my hair is stretched. Let me just go try this hairstyle because I remembered seeing her video sometime last week. So I went into the bathroom and I figured, you know what, before I start, I'm gonna turn on the camera because just in case, just in case it turns out okay, I could, you know, post it as a fail because I figure there's no way I'm gonna accomplish this, you know, thing. And then when I was almost done, my daughter came into the bathroom while I was recording and she's like, "Mommy, why your hair looking like Princess Jasmine?" And I'm like, "It looks that good?" She said, "Yes, it really looks nice." So I said, okay. So I was done recording and I went through the clip of recording the style and I'm like, damn girl, that looks good. So this hairstyle, I am going to call it If Princess Jasmine Had Natural Hair. I love it. Oh my gosh. Guys, I was just so afraid it would have gotten messed up. I did not even bother to take off the vest and put on anything fancy to record this intro because I figured, you know what, I'm not gonna mess with this. I'm just gonna record just the way I am. I just threw on a little lipstick, put on my pearls, and that's it. I said I'm gonna just come here, do this intro so that I can share this tutorial with you all. It's the first try, but let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think. Let me know if you think I did a good job with this hairstyle. Let me know. So if you're looking at this, it's Tuesday now because like I said in the video I posted yesterday of the loose twist faux hawk. My schedule is so tight for the next few weeks. I have to try and fit in all the little videos here and there. So I did not want too long to go on this hairstyle because I kind of really wanted to share it because of my excitement. But guys, let's get into this tutorial and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
just wanna